Hey, this is Jeff with Rugged. Common question we get. This is our 54-inch standard shotgun case, is how much weight can I put into this thing? Most shotguns weigh 6, 7, 8 pounds. We loaded this up with 20.5 pounds of weight to show you that it does indeed float without a problem. 20 pounds shotgun case. No problemo. So this is our standard case, and what that means is this is not a fully waterproof zipper, so it cannot be submerged, although it is good for rain, splashing, things like that. But just to show you what happens in this case, just on a quick drop. In fact, why don't we put this back in quick? We'll do a full submerge on this zipper. So if we push this under, keep pushing it under, you can see there's air coming out of the seams, or maybe you can't see that. So this zipper is not fully waterproof, but you'll see that you're not going to get a whole lot of water in through it. Oh, you got some in there. So still, we got 20 pounds in there with a little bit of water, because this is not the full waterproof. It is not submerge proof. We do offer a submerge proof as well. But you'll see, as far as losing your shotgun, zipper back up, still floating. Rugged, waterproof floating shotgun case.